There's oil-based pesticides on these because they are not organic. They are hothouse tomatoes. So what we want to do is put, how would you guys normally wash these? Most people would just use tap water. So I'm just going to use some tap water, turn it on. And you'll see that we're washing that with tap water. And then on this one, I'm going to use 11.5 strong Kangen water. What we're going to do is see if the water can break up oil-based pesticides. I'm going to make a cup here of 11.5, and then I'm going to make another cup of tap water. And what we want to do is see if it's going to wash the produce better. We're going to find out. And what we want to do is see by testing with oil. So if they're using oil-based pesticides, we're going to take toasted sesame oil to pretend like this is the pesticides. And if the Kangen water or the tap water are able to emulsify the toasted sesame oil, then we'll know that it is able to break up the oil-based pesticides on the produce. So we're going to take 1 cup of tap water and 1 cup of 11.5 strong Kangen water. This is incredible, so amazing. Look at the difference. That's why you can use your veggie wash. You can use your 11.5 to clean carpeting, to clean laundry, to clean, it's like I use it, I spray the grout. I spray things with it because it cleans, but it's so safe that we can wash our produce with it. So I'm going to set these over here to the side. And then I want to show you how, even though that's only been soaking for what, 2 minutes, not even. If you just see what comes off the tomatoes that are washed in tap water versus what comes off the tomatoes that were washed in 11.5 strong Kangen water. I like to normally soak them longer, but this is crazy. What is that? Do you guys see that? Who wants to stop by tomorrow, pick up your free water? I'll save this glass for you to drink. Fresh off the tomatoes. Of course not. We don't want you to be drinking that. Oil-based pesticides. What if you were here, you would be tasting how fresh, how delicious, how crunchy these are. These are going to taste bitter in comparison. So disgusting. The other thing I